What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Kerrie, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube page. Make sure you like and subscribe. Today, I am at 2323 Newfield Lane in Austin, Texas. This is a brand new construction home, 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms with a pool and an outdoor grill. Y'all, this is absolutely amazing. Check out this office with the natural light. It is beaming here in Texas, okay? It is hot, but the ceiling fan, the AC, it just, even with all the natural light, it feels so good in here, all right? So come on in, check out how open this entire area is. You have the wood floors throughout, and then as we go into the bathrooms, you'll see tile flooring. But I love this home. I also want to shout out my niece. She is here from Dillard University. She is a junior. She will be graduating next year, right? She's a film major. So I want to make sure we shout out Kennedy. What is up? So in this kitchen, we have state-of-the-art appliances, all right? So we're gonna feature Miele. These are the appliances today. And I love this. They're just a quick touch and it opens up. So here's the freezer and then the refrigerator part. And I love, check this out, the wine area. Now I don't drink wine, but I know somebody that does, and they loved it last time they were in here, all right? Beautiful appliances. But check out this island. They have the waterfall quartz countertops. Check that out, absolutely amazing. You have your gas range behind Kennedy here, but look how open this entire place is. So say you are entertaining, right? You're having a pool party, you have seats outside, you have a dining room area, an eat-in kitchen, and then a huge living room as well. So I love how open it is. I love also that they have ceiling fans throughout. It's just an absolutely well-made and well-constructed home. So let's move through this living room, check it out. And then we're gonna go to the primary because it is downstairs. They have the primary downstairs and they have the office downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs. So let's head over here and check it out, but take it all in. Absolutely amazing. All right, I hope y'all are enjoying the tour so far. That open concept is everything. Let's check out the very first bathroom. This is cool because if you're coming in from the pool, you can come directly into this bathroom, take a shower, get yourself together without having to enter it into the entire home. It does have tile flooring, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. And now let's go check out the laundry room before we actually go into the primary bedroom. But you do have a nice sized closet as well with shelves here. And then a nice sized laundry room with the sink and lots of cabinets. I love how they did the tile on the wall, the subway tile. So cool. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom and bathroom. It's a cool hall, all right, that walks you right into your bedroom. You have your loo right here with a private door, floating shelves, and your double vanity. Can't go wrong with that. And then check out this custom primary closet, all right? Take all this in, get all of this in. I love how it has the cabinets, it has shelves, you can hang up things, so cool. But y'all know I love a good stand-up shower. They got the waterfall and they also have just your regular shower heads. Super amazing. And check out that standalone tub. Hope y'all are enjoying this tour so far. I know I am. Check out that closet here. And then let's go into the actual bedroom, all right? Definitely is spacious. Okay, you do have lots of natural light in here as well. And then you have your own private entrance to the pool. So let's check out this pool area. And now this home is pretty close to Mopac, but it's not as noisy, right? It's not as noisy, but I love how it has all these different entrances to the pool area. You have your hot tub over here, and then your outdoor kitchen. And as you can see, there's plenty of space for seating. You have your a table outside as well, and then your full barbecue pit. And then let's go back into the living room. You got your slider doors. So that is it for downstairs. Let me know in the comments, what do you think so far of 2323 Newfield Lane? Again, this is minutes from downtown, 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, wood floors throughout, waterfall countertops, amazing Miele appliances. You got those all built in as well, and the pool. All right, drop a comment. Let me know what you think so far. Alrighty, y'all, so we made it upstairs. Y'all already know how I feel about them stairs, but this is a cool staircase. I love the railings. I also love this light fixture here. I think that's so amazing, and how it has its own, I don't even know what you would even consider this, but I love how that is lit up. Absolutely amazing. And then you can look down right into the entrance of the home. But let's go into, they're considering this a bedroom up here. And they have it priced as if this would be a bedroom, but you would have to create your own door because it does have a closet. But I love that it has its own deck. So if you did create this into a bedroom, it would have a private deck. So I think that's awesome. And then you can look down and see the pool area. So cool. All right, let's go back in here. And it does have its own closet, like I said earlier. That's why they're considering this a bedroom, but you would have to add your own door. So check out that closet real quick. But I think what I would do if this was my home, I would just leave this as a media room because that's not big enough a closet, at least for me, okay? Now let's go into another bedroom. This is spacious. Check this out. Love this, and it has its own private bathroom with the tile flooring and then the stand-up shower. I love how they created this. It's very unique. I love the floating shelves. Check out the closet. Have ceiling fans. You have the vertical windows as well. And then here is the last bathroom. Every bathroom is different with the different tile flooring, the different tile in the showers. This one does have the tub, the stand-up. And then here is the last bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. Whoever got this room upstairs, you are winning, okay? Huge closet. And then a nice sized room as well. Alrighty, y'all. So that is a tour of 2323 Newfield Lane in Austin, Texas, minutes from downtown, listed for $2.6 million. If you are interested in a private tour, you already know, go ahead and email me or shoot me over a text, or feel free to call me. It's your girl, Dr. Kerrie. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay anchored. Until next time.